how to upload files in Subdomain in Hostinger. So let's get started. Once you log into your Hostinger account, this is the dashboard you will see. Next, we will need to click the Websites tab. And in the right side of the screen, we will see all the domains and subdomains set up by us in Hostinger. I will be uploading a sample PDF in this subdomain, so we need to click the Tools button. Next, click File Manager. In this screen, we need to click and enter this section. My subdomain is associated with this main domain. Next, we need to enter the public HTML directory, which all the website files and folders, along with the subdomains directory, is located. Next, in this page, here it is, the sales subdomain, we need to enter the subdomain directory. To upload a file, we need to click the upload icon and select the file from our computer to upload into the subdomain directory. And done. This is how we can upload files in the subdomain in Hostinger manually. In the web browser, you can see the sample PDF file uploaded in Subdomain. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Comment and share this video if it was helpful.